Guys, welcome back to Asuga cooking series. Now I'm about to show you how to prepare something very sweet, something very delicious, something very crunchy, and something that you'll enjoy with your family every day. So before that, I just wanted to let you know, guys, that I started a series whereby I'll be showing you how to prepare a certain meal in different ways. So let's say if you're doing chicken, I'll be showing you different ways to cook chicken until the series is over. Okay, so I'd asked my Instagram followers to assist me choose between the potato recipes and chicken recipes, because I was confused which one to start with, because those are actually my two favorite meals. So 75% of them suggested that we start with the chicken recipes, while 25% chose the potato recipes. So that's why I definitely went for the chicken recipes. And guys, let me tell you, we have so many ways to cook chicken. It's not only about boiling and frying. We have over 100 ways to cook chicken, and that's why I'll be bringing you new chicken recipes every Sunday until the series is over. Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare the sweetest, tastiest, crunchiest fried chicken, the chicken that you guys go and buy from KFC. Today we are going to make it at home. So I can't really wait to share this with you, and I can't wait to see your feedbacks when you try this recipe out. So guys, without saying much, let's get straight into the cooking action. So our main part of the chicken today is the chicken drumsticks or chicken thighs. And in this video, we are going to use 6 pieces of the chicken thighs. I got mine from Naivas supermarket at 440 shillings for the 6 pieces. You can as well find this in your local butcheries. So we are going to start by placing the drumsticks in a sufuria, followed by 60 ml of water and 60 ml of milk, and then we add 1 tablespoon of salt, and then we are going to cover it and let it cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. And then after that, we are going to uncover, and our chicken is well cooked. Next, we are going to remove the drumsticks from the sufuria and set aside. And guys, I hope you're also excited about this chicken series whereby we'll be cooking chicken in different ways. I noticed we have over 100 ways to cook chicken. Chicken is not only about boiling and frying. Guys, I have more than 100 ways in which I'll be showing you how to cook chicken. So if you haven't subscribed, please take just 1 second of your time. It's very free to subscribe and join us so that you don't miss out on these chicken recipes. Next, I'm going to show you how to make breadcrumbs, because this is one of the ingredients that we are going to use in today's recipe. So I'm cutting the bread into pieces and then transfer it into the blender for blending. And guys, this is a very important ingredient in today's recipe. So if you're going to try out this recipe, please don't skip this step. The breadcrumbs are going to help our chicken have that crunchy texture from the outside, just like the ones that we order from KFC. This is the secret ingredient, guys, let me tell you. So guys, our bread has been blended finely, and this is how it looks. Next, we are going to transfer the breadcrumbs into a plain pan and cook and allow heat until the breadcrumbs turn golden brown. And guys, let me tell you, these breadcrumbs are very durable. So if you have some remaining with you, you can transfer them into a tin and place them in a shelf for future use. Next, we are going to prepare our flour mixture, and we are going to use 1 cup of all-purpose baking flour, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of chili, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix them well until everything is well incorporated. This mixture is also going to play a very big role in making our chicken crunchy from the outside. Next, we are going to prepare the liquid ingredients, and in this case, we are using 3 eggs, and then you are going to add ½ tablespoon of salt into the eggs, and then we are going to add 60 ml of milk, and then we are going to whisk this well until everything is well incorporated. So after that, we are going to take our pre-cooked chicken, and then we are going to dip it into the flour mixture and coat it with the flour mixture. And then after that, we are going to dip it into the egg mixture and then back again to the flour mixture. I hope I'm explaining well, but everything is very clear from the video. And also you can use your hands to do this. It's a bit messy, but it's a very good alternative. So we are going to repeat the same process until all the drumsticks are over and ready for frying. Guys, I hope at this point I've already earned your subscription and that you've turned on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new chicken recipes every Sunday. So I'll be having new videos. I've told you guys there are more than 100 chicken recipes that I have for you. There's so many ways to cook chicken, and I'm so excited to bring to you this chicken series. So please, I'm requesting you to do 4 things for me. First, click the subscribe button. It's very free. Second, turn on the notification bell. It's just next to the subscribe button. Third, like this video. And fourth, please comment down below. Tell me which kind of chicken recipes would you love to see from me. And thank you so much, guys, for that. Thank you so much. So I'm going to repeat the process with all the chicken thighs until they're over. So next we are going to fry them under medium heat in hot cooking oil until they all turn golden brown. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try out this recipe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram so that you can always tag me whenever you try out my recipes. So guys, until the next video, bye.